Hello everyone, welcome to Polar Pro Vendors. This is Free and today we're going to be making buttercream frosting. So let us take a look at the ingredients first. You are going to need some butter, icing sugar and not castor or granulated sugar. Icing sugar is very important. Some milky and finally some vanilla essence. In a large mixing bowl, we are going to take a butter, lots of butter because it is in itself buttercream frosting. So in a large mixing bowl, we have a butter and we are going to whisk it until it's light and fluffy. You can also use an electric mixer or a hand mixer if you have one at home. So let me whisk it first and make it light and fluffy. Now that I've whisked my butter thoroughly, it has become light and fluffy and has kind of lost its color. And now it has become white. Now I'm going to add my icing sugar. In goes my icing sugar. I'm going to add a lot of it because frosting obviously is very sweet. So take care that you don't use castor sugar or granulated sugar because there are no heat reactions taking place and that's the reason why that sugar won't melt. So here I've added my icing sugar and now I'm going to whisk it thoroughly. It's going to take a while. Now that my mixture has become thick enough, it's pretty thick, it's very thick, and according to the consistency you are going for, you are going to add your milk. But first we're going to add vanilla essence, and remember to always use sifted icing sugar, else small lumps will be formed. Now here I'm adding my vanilla essence. I'm adding around 7 to 8 drops. In they go. Now I have added my vanilla extract. You can add any other food flavoring you want. Here I am going for simple vanilla buttercream frosting. So I have just added this vanilla extract. And now my frosting is pretty thick. So I'm going to add a little milky. In it goes. Add milk according to the consistency you need. If you need the frosting to be runny, then you can add more milk. If you need it to be thicker, then less milk. Now this is the consistency of the buttercream frosting I have obtained. Smooth and thick. Now I'm going to be whisking it for a while to obtain the desired consistency and for it to be smooth enough. Now you can add whatever food coloring you want, or you can also keep it plain white and enjoy. And now I'm just going to fold it with a spatula and it's lovely. Now I'm just going to take a piping nozzle, insert it at the bottom of a piping bag like this, and then insert it into a long glass. There we go. And now I'm just going to put in my frosting into this. And then our piping bag would be ready. Now my frosting is ready. I've sealed it off with a plastic rubber band. You can use anything you want. And now I'm going to cut this tip from here and then our frosting's ready to be used. Please send me your cooking creations. I love to see them. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram handle, PreenaMakkar17. Thank you.